going to take a look at this travel power strip. Let's open it up. It comes in 4 different colors. We got the blue one. In the box you get this small little user manual and the power strip. So here it is. You can see what it looks like compared to my hand. Looks like you could mount it on a wall if you wanted to with some nails, either like this or this way. It has a built-in strap to keep the cord from unwinding. So that's nice. It's a silicone strap. And if we unplug it, you can see that we have a 3-pronged outlet, so it has a grounding built in. We've got 2 3-prong outlets. And let's unwind the cable. In addition to the 3-pronged outlets, we have a 2-prong outlet here. We have 2 USB-A ports, a USB-C port, and another 2-prong outlet. So you get a lot of ways to charge your devices in this really compact travel adapter. I'm going to plug in a few things and see how well it works. I'm going to test out these 2-prong outlets. I was going to try it with this little USB adapter, but as you can see, it can't plug in because of the overhang here. So that's something that you're going to have to be aware of. But it will plug in, I suppose, to this outlet on top. And we've got a green LED, which means it's working. And now I can plug in a USB-C cable and then plug in a phone like my iPhone. And it is charging. So that works. And let's just try one of the built-in USB ports. I've plugged it into the USB-C and it's charging. Let's also try another phone. Let's try my OnePlus 15. And you can see that it is charging too. So now I've got a USB-C cable plugged in. I'm going to plug in a USB-A cable right there. So now I've got 2 cables plugged in. And I'm going to plug in 2 phones. And it's charging both at the same time. So this does work very well. Even though it's called a travel power strip, that doesn't mean you have to use it when you're on the road. You can use it in your house too. It's a nice, simple, compact power strip with added functionality with the USB ports and the 2-pronged ports, as long as whatever you're plugging into these 2 end ports can fit, because like I said, this little guy won't fit. I even tried these smaller adapters. These are about as small as you can get, and neither one of these will plug in either because of those overhangs. So you can see this one can't plug in, and you can see that this one can't plug in this way or this way. So definitely something to be aware of. But you got these 2 on top. I hope this review was helpful to you. If it was, consider giving me a thumbs up. And if you like these types of reviews, quick and to the point, consider subscribing and turning on the bell icons so you'll be notified when I have another video. As always, I hope you have a great day.